So I had a company give me this 20-inch wall mount fan.
Now this is the mounting hardware it came with.
Now this fan is adjustable. It does rotate up to 360 degrees, so you can really maneuver it if you really needed to. You have it positioned on your patio or maybe in your workshop, garage, anything like that. For it to be able to move 360 degrees is definitely a bonus. This fan has more of an industrial type look to it, but it's built very well. It's made of a 3-leaf iron aluminum, so it's definitely built well. So the fan does have a lot of different functionalities to it, and the remote is going to help you jump between them all. Now you can just select the fan. Now you do have 6 different speeds to the actual fan itself. This is option 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And it truly does blow off a lot of wind. Now the fan also has a reverse option. The air is sucking into the fan instead of blowing away from the fan. So we can go ahead and just select the lamp mode on the remote. That will turn the lamp on. And you do have 3 different light modes to this fan.
You do have a warm light, a neutral light, and a cool white light. And all of these lights you can go up and down on, allowing the light to be bright or dim.
This unit also has a timer on it, so you can go ahead and set that timer for 2 hours or 4 hours. So like I said, this fan has a lot of functionality. So all in all, if you're looking for a fan that has more options than just being a fan, you may want to consider this one. It really does have a cool design to it and a lot of functionality.